Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and today I'm going to talk about Dot & Key skin range. So recently I bought 3 products from Dot & Key and all these items are from Nykaa. All the products links are in description box just in case you want to check them out. So the first product I want to talk about is Dot & Key Vitamin C Serum. Now what exactly this product claim, let's talk about it first. Now it contains rich vitamin C which corrects skin dullness, pigmentation and premature aging. It visibly enhances skin brightness and luminosity. Vitamin C is all about making that skin glowy, and it will remove all that dullness and all that tiredness from your face of your entire day. So this is a very great product. Also, if I talk about the key ingredients here, the key ingredients are Kakadu plum and Aresola cherry, which are again the best things for your skin. It again help in removing the dullness, making your skin more brighter, and it just perfectly goes for the glowing skin if you want that glow on your face. Now it doesn't contain any nasty chemicals. These are 100% safe, dermatologically tested. Now let's talk about the price money. So this come like it retails for 975 rupees and there is 30 ml of product. Now personally I believe it's little on the expensive size, but if you're really into a good skin regime and you're looking for a good vitamin C serum, so definitely you should give this one a try. I'm using this product for a month now and I'm happy to say this, that yes, it actually reduces some dark spots on your face if you have any. It will enhance your complexion a little. So yeah, it does what it claims. Now let's talk about the packaging things. So the outer packet looks like this. It's a cardboard box and you get a magnetic flap here. Now the inside bottle is a very sturdy glass bottle. It's a 30 ml product, as I've told you, and it again comes with a dropper. So what you have to do, you have to just take 3 to 4 drops. Consistency is, let's talk about that. So if I show you, I've taken a drop here. So if you rub it on your skin, it feels so smooth, so silky, and the good part is it easily get absorbed in your skin. So it's kind of very light texture, as you can say, and it easily get absorbed and smell. If you really are looking for a good vitamin C serum, you should definitely try this product. Now my second product is from Dot & Key again. It is their hyaluronic acid. Now this particular product is already infused with vitamin C. There are no nasty chemicals. Again, this is 100% tested. If I talk about the key ingredients, it has the Bulgarian rose and the acai berry, which are very good components for hydrating your skin, making it more plumper and making it like radiant and more glowing and more effectively glow wala. Infuses the skin. It infuses the skin with a boost of moisture, which is actually very important if you want a radiant looking youthful skin. So yeah, I have been using this product again, like I have bought all these items a month ago and I'm using this continuously, and in a month I would say that this is a quite good product. But I'm not 100% satisfied with this, because if you have any kind of a moisturizer which has the same components, then you don't need to buy this product, because this is quite expensive. So just for that purpose only, if you're okay with spending and investing your money in good products, then definitely you should give this product a try. Now let's talk about the price money. It then retails for 895 rupees. 30 ml product will come with that. Same packaging, the wooden box and the inner bottle is exactly same with a dropper here. Now let's talk about the consistency here. So this product is little bit sticky on your skin. If you try to little glow on your skin, so yeah, it is a very good product. Now I have seen other bloggers also, and it has been tested also that if you are using both these products together, it actually like a best thing to do, because vitamin C sits very nicely with a hyaluronic acid. So these two products can be considered as a best friend. So if you are willing to buy and you're willing to invest in a good range of a skincare, if you're looking for a proper regime treatment cream, now packaging is like there's in a box and the bottle is inside. Now the bottle is very cute. As you can see, the packaging is very, very amazing. Now what exactly this product claims is that all the ingredients present, such as vitamins, retinol, ceramides and potent botanicals, is transformative night cream, which not only reduces your fine lines and wrinkles but also tackles dark spots and breakouts to give you a radiant, youthful glow. So basically this cream has to be like the night cream, of course, but the component here is the retinol. So retinol is a component which you can't be using in a daytime. It's a very, very very dangerous thing if you're using a component retinol in a daytime. So if you have any other products also, which please take advice from a dermatologist before using any kind of AHA, BHA or any kind of acids in your regime, in your day care or night care regime, because your skin is not going to tell you in like few months if you're using these products, but after some time it is going to show you very bad results. So about this night cream, it contains retinol component and that's why it is for the PM use. So now let's talk about the product. Now the key ingredients here is the hibiscus and the sea buckthorn berry. Now these both products are very helpful in getting rid of wrinkles, any dark spots you are having on your face or anything related to anti-aging properties. So I've given one bottle to my mom also and she uses this daily and night. Now if you want to talk about the consistency, it's very gel. It's in a gel consistency. If you can see the product, just a second. Now here is the product. I'm going to apply it, and if I rub it on my skin, it's very soft again. It's very creamy and smell is also good, like you're going to like it. And also just for clarity, these product doesn't contain any kind of fragrances. They are their natural scent. So yes, that, so it kind of easily get absorbed in your skin. And yes, so yeah, now let's talk about the price money. So this product this bottle is 60 ml jar and this retails for 940. That this is a very good night cream. So yeah, you should definitely give this a try if you want to invest in good skincare range. So yeah, those were all my products, and please tell me in the comment section like if you want to see these kinds of videos more. So I'll be making reviews on different other brands also. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like this video, and thank you. See you.